The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to retain much of the successful design language of its predecessor while bringing new upgrades under the hood. The display will likely stay at 6.8 inches with Samsung's dynamic AMOLED 2X technology, reaching a peak brightness of over 2600 nits, making it an exceptionally bright and vibrant option for outdoor use. The S25 Ultra will come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Samsung's latest choice for flagship performance, likely paired with 12GB to 16GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. Camera upgrades include a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, utilizing quad-pixel binning to improve low-light performance, while the primary camera is set to retain its impressive 200-megapixel resolution. The telephoto options will remain mostly unchanged, with both 3x and 5x zoom capabilities expected to deliver sharp, high-quality images across distances. Battery life should benefit from the efficient 3nm Snapdragon chip combined with a 5,000 mAh battery, supporting 45 watts wired and 25 watts wireless charging, though there are no major advances in battery capacity or charging speed from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The S25 Ultra is anticipated to release in new colors like titanium black and titanium blue, aligning with Samsung's focus on high-end finishes for its flagship devices. With enhanced One UI 7 features based on Android 15, it will support extended software updates up to 7 years. These enhancements keep the S25 Ultra competitive among flagship smartphones, although it maintains similar features to previous models in terms of display and battery capacity. For users of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the upgrade will be more incremental, focusing on AI capabilities and subtle camera improvements rather than a complete redesign. Thank you so much.